Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial. Today we discuss about the functions of arrays. How many type of function array? How do we use it? In my previous video, I learned how to make a array, how to make a one-dimensional array or two-dimensional array, and I give a small assignment to how to make a three-dimensional array. And I hope you were doing well. Now, in today's tutorial, we learn about the functions of array, how to solve a big complex problem using a NumPy library. So without wasting of time, let's begin with it. So the first step is import our NumPy library. So I install import NumPy as np. The first function is about how to convert a list or tuple into array. So I give comment and write convert list or tuple into array. Okay, let's begin. I give a variable era in which my array is stored. I write np.array and I make an array, one dimensional array made. If you don't know how to make a one dimensional array, you can see my previous video. Then I call my array. See, I give the function a array, a one dimensional array, and the array is converted into a list. How to find this is a list or not? The representation is starting with square brackets and close with square brackets. If this is a tuple, how to know this is a tuple? It started by a round bracket and close with a round bracket. If you don't know what is a list, tuple, dictionary, set, you must aware of it. For data analytics, you have a must aware about the basics of Python, in which the topics cover list, tuple, basic sets, loop functions. You must know. This is a very important topic for data analytics. Okay, next function we have discussed are zeros. np.zero. We create an array with filled of zeros. Suppose if I want to make a matrix 2 by 3 filled with zeros, how to make it? Let's discuss. So I write np.zeros. Okay. Suppose I give a variable array and I write np.zeros. I give a array 2 by 3 and I write print array. See, it makes a 2 by 3 matrix the value filled with 0. See, the this show a row and this show a column. This is a column. This one and this one, this one, this one. So in this matrix, I have a 2 rows and 3 columns, the value filled with zeros. If I want to make a matrix 2 by 3 or whatever I choose, the value filled with 1, what I have to do? I write, so I give the some heading. So I write np.ones. I make a variable array. I write np.ones and then I suppose I give a whatever what I want. Suppose I give a 3 by 3. Suppose I give a 33 rows and 3 columns. What I have to see the message, guys. See the message. What amazing a matrix it make. See, this is a 33 rows, 3 columns. The value filled with ones. Some confusing it would create, so I make a 3 by 3. See, the 3 rows, 3 columns, the value filled with 1. And this is an array. See, this is a two-dimensional array. Clearly see you can. Okay, now the next heading I want to write arrange. What is a function arrange? Generate evenly space value with a given range. Confusing? Don't worry, I have here. I will discuss every step how to make a arrange. Okay, so I make array filled with a sequence. So I write is question nb dot range. It's a range. Be careful about the spelling. It's not a arrange. A double R is not a. It's a range. A R. Suppose I give. You are thinking what the three merit parameter. Why I write a three parameter? I discuss first. I give a code. See what you have to do. What the parameter three code. The first one is 1 means my sequence start with 1, it will end with 10. Always learn one thing. Whenever you use a range function, whatever you give a endpoint, the sequence is generated with n minus 1. Suppose if I give a 10, it will give a sequence starting from 1 and with 9. Okay, with a gap of 2. So I give a starting point 1 and with 10, that n minus 1. 10 minus 1 9. It gives the value in the sequence and 1 to 9 with a gap of 2. See, the outputs come 1 3 5 and goes on. Now the next function we discuss line space. Dot line space. Okay, I give array is equals to np line space 0 to 1. This is similar like arrange, but there's only one difference in this. I also give a three parameters 0 1 5. It will start from 0, end with 1, but always remember in this there is no n minus 1 concept. 1 is also included with a gap of file. So what the output it give the values starting from 1 and with starting from 0 and with 1, and it gives the 5 random values. What the values comes between 0 to 1. So if I print C output, amazing. It gives the value starting from 0, all including also 1 with a 5 values 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.751. If I give a 7, see the miracle. See, it give a value starting from 0 and with 1 with a 7 values. 1 generate a in the easy words of what I have to say, it will create a sequence starting from 0 and with 1, and it create a 7 generating random numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Only there is a one difference in range and line space. A range in the endpoint it take a concept of n minus 1. In the line space it will give only including 1, not excluded or not a say a n minus 1 concept. Okay, the next function is a random function. If I want to create a matrix 3 by 3 which take a random numbers. What? So I dot random. I give an array np.random. For random, I use a function rand. I make a 3 by 3. It take a so I went. Then I discuss what is giving. See, it make a 3 by 3 matrix and random values it choose. So it's a 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is a very basic concept about the NP NumPy library. Some basics functions. It will be very useful when we go with a data manipulation or data cleaning. A small thing, but it is very useful in a big complex problems. So I hope everything is clear about that. All the basic function, it is clear. It is very easy if you do practice, and all the concept will clear. If you have any doubt, please comment it down. I will discuss all the your queries, everything, each and everything. So I think it is very helpful for you. So in the further videos, I will discuss the functions of mathematical function using NumPy. How to take a mean, median, how to make a mode, and other function is also available. I will discuss in each and everything. Don't worry about it. So if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we will meet in the next one.